So Amazon's gotten real subtle with their branding, huh? Yeah. What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and as you could probably tell from the title of the video and the thumbnail, today I'm unboxing the brand new Amazon Echo Show. Now this is a device that I'm going to be completely honest, I'm a little skeptical about because I don't really understand the need for the sort of show devices. I mean, I get that people like them for, looking at recipes and watching YouTube videos, but I've got iPads, I've got computers all over the place. I don't really need like an extra screen just kind of in the corner of a room. But hey, you know what? I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna see if it's something that I actually want to keep around and not just return. But the main reason I wanted to pick this up was because I wanted to try that crazy tracking feature that it has where it kind of follows you around the room, which I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty creepy. But I'm interested to see it. I'm interested to check it out and find out if it's worth the price, which is not cheap. I'm gonna be honest, I bought this like last week and I don't actually remember the price. Let me check really quick. So the price is, drum roll please. That was really weak. $249.99. So 250 bucks. That's actually like significantly more expensive than I thought. But you know what? I think at this point we should crack it open, check it out, and see if it's actually worth that $250 price point, which I guess makes sense because it is kind of like a tablet and a speaker all in one. So if you think of it that way, it's not too crazy expensive. But for an Alexa device, it is kind of expensive. It's on the higher end, for sure. Crack the top of the box. Inside, we've got this nice bright blue color, the Amazon Alexa Blue, and what seems like a handle. This is excellent packaging. I'm not gonna lie, this is really, really nice. Look at that. It also feels sustainable. I don't know if it is. I mean, it's cardboard, so it's probably very easily recycled, which I guess is the whole sustainable aspect of it. There we go, nice handle. That was awesome. That was a good call. They should do more of that. And then of course we've got the box itself, which I'm assuming I haven't seen the front yet, but yep. It's got a picture of the actual device on it, the Echo Show 10. So obviously I went with the black version. There's also a white version, and I just went with the black one because I felt like, it won't show as much dust as the white one will. Maybe I'm wrong about that, but I usually prefer to go with black when it comes to tech. I do have my Apple HomePod Mini in white because it kind of matches this studio, but that's really the only piece of tech that I have in white. And then on the top of the box, you've got that Amazon smile. On the left side of the box, you've got some features of the device. Some of the most notable features are rotating screen with manual tilt, 10-inch HD touchscreen with adaptive color, 13-megapixel camera with built-in shutter, 2 tweeters and woofer, Zigbee smart home hub, Bluetooth hands-free with Amazon's assistant, I'm not gonna say it, and then also a microphone and camera on and off button if you decide that you want to keep things a little bit more private. And then on the back, it shows you some of the commands that you can say if you decide to say those things. I'm not gonna say them in this video, and if I do, I'll bleep them out for you. I've made that mistake in the past, and you guys made sure to let me know in the comment section, which, hey, you know what? I deserved it, so that's fair. But let's bust open this box and see how it looks. There we go. So first thing you see inside the box, another Amazon smile right there. And then you've also got, seem to be the manuals. Right here you've got, hello, Echo Show 10. You've got some information on, I guess, how to set it up. This is kind of weird. What is this? All right. So this is showing you the distance that you want to keep other things away from your device because the screen spins. So you don't want it to hit things. So I guess you put this around the bottom of your device and you just make sure that there's nothing in this white area, which I think is pretty cool actually. I've never thought of that. And then you've also got your Zigbee Smart Tech Important Information Manual. Interesting. Okay, let's move this stuff off to the side. Let's see what else we've got inside the box. Big piece of cardboard that has the power brick. And then we've got the Amazon Echo Show 10. Look at this. It's much bigger than I thought, actually. And that's everything else. You've got some nice recyclable cardboard pieces in there, and that's about it. So here it is, the Amazon Echo Show 10. Let's pull off the fabric. Oof, I love new tech. Look at this. What a weird thing. This is really odd. Okay, so it seems like the way that it spins is actually on the base, and I originally thought that this sort of black bar right here was where it spun, which I guess wouldn't make a lot of sense. It makes a lot more sense for it to spin on the base. It's definitely easier mechanically, I would assume. And it also kind of just spins really freely. I honestly thought if it was turned off, it wouldn't be able to spin, but apparently you can literally just spin it as much as you want when it's turned off. Okay, so this kind of just sticks to things. It's not actually sticky, like it's not permanent, but it's got a nice rubber foot, so it won't slide around on you. But that's really interesting. And then, of course, I'm gonna plug it in, but the one thing I've gotta say is that I'm kind of disappointed that this comes in white and not in black. I would have liked it if it came in a matching color. Of course it matches the white one, but we don't have a white one, do we? It's all plugged in. Let's plug this into the wall. Damn, okay, it's a little bit farther than I thought. We're in, we're good. Okay, so it's all plugged in. I don't know how to turn it on from here. I'm sure it's gonna turn on its own. They always seem to do that. The Amazon Echo Show 10 is really great because you've got the 10-inch touchscreen. You've got this nice manual camera shutter right here, so if you don't want anyone to see you while you're dancing naked in your apartment, not something that I do, but hey, you know what? If you do it, that's totally fine. You will lose some features, like obviously tracking and things like that. Oh, it's getting started. I'm interested to hear how good this speaker is too. I've had good experiences with most of my Echoes so far, so I'm hopeful. So if you actually buy this with your Amazon account, it will already know all your info, especially if you already have other Echo devices, so it should know my Wi-Fi, but it definitely knows all my Amazon information so that it can buy things with no problems, because that's the whole point of these. These are put in your home so that you can more easily buy things on Amazon. That's the whole idea behind the Echoes. Like, it might not seem like that's the case, but that's the only reason they're in your house, because Amazon wants you to buy more stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna type in my password. So check this out. The keyboard is actually split so that you can type on it like this with both your hands on either side of the screen. That's a little interesting. I've never seen anything like that before. At least not on like a tablet thing. Build quality wise, it doesn't feel bad, especially the base. It's got some nice weight to it. The screen part, not totally in love with. It feels a little bit cheap, but hey, you know what? You're not really gonna be picking it up. It doesn't need to be that durable. It's not gonna need to be as durable as a tablet. It does feel like a Fire tablet. You know, it genuinely feels like that. As much as I don't love that Amazon knows like pretty much everything about me at this point, I do like how easy it is to set up. Man, that sounds like something right out of 1984 or something like that. Some really creepy novel from like the 60s. Oh man, that is my address. Okay. Choose a wallpaper. Okay, so we've got some different wallpaper options. We've got illustration, seasonal, nature, travel. I like travel. Let's go with travel. So at this point, I believe that it is, relax, I'm still talking. I believe that it is pretty much done with setup. It says it wants to show me how far it turns or spins, and I think you can adjust the amount that it spins, but let's preview and see what happens. All right. Movement's a little jerky. Not gonna lie, it's not the smoothest in the world, but it could just be because it's like sensing or something. I don't know what it's doing. Now move the slider to set the idle position. Oh. All right.
This device is ready.
Thank you. It's been about 30 minutes. So there are a lot of things that you can do with this device. Obviously, it's still a working Echo, so it still can use its smart assistant, of which we all know the name of, which I won't say. You can also watch things like Netflix, YouTube videos, things like that. And one thing I really like about it is that you can actually use this as a security system in your home. So you can place this in whatever room it's supposed to be in and literally go on your phone, go to the camera and have it spin and look around and see what's going on, see if there's anybody in your house. So honestly, that is a feature that I like a lot. But something else that it does, and another reason why the spinning is so cool, is that when you do something like a video call with someone, which you can do through this device, because obviously it's got a nice little camera right there and a microphone, it'll follow you. So say you like want to walk over to a different part of the room to work on something or do something while you're talking to somebody else, it can follow you to that other side of the room. So that's honestly the main reason that I got this, and I want to see it in action. So it kind of automatically already turns, whoa. So I didn't set it up. And it's already kind of turning and following me. It's actually got pretty decent motion tracking, I'm not gonna lie.
Something went wrong.
Relax, I wasn't talking to you. It doesn't seem to want to follow me all the time, just whenever it's convenient for itself.
Following is now on.
Okay, let's see if that helps. There we go, okay. Check that out. That is really, really nuts. And it's silent too, which I actually really like a lot. Play a Seth Fowler video on YouTube.
Please select a default browser.
Does it not have like a YouTube app? Let's watch my my Fly Ease video, which by the way, you guys should check out. If you have not seen my main channel and you like sneakers, it's all about sneakers, baby. So let's see if it follows me while I'm watching a video, which I think it will because I just saw it kind of.
Think about cushioning, and then you've had things like auto lacing from Nike.
That's so sick. I don't know why I'm surprised. This assistant is very capable. So it just prompted me and asked me if the device turned correctly. So it's possible that they're still kind of working out the kinks. And to be honest, there are a couple kinks. Like, it doesn't always follow me perfectly, but it's not bad. Some of the other features that this device has is security features, so it can connect to all your different cameras. Like, I have a Ring camera system, it can connect to that if I want it to. It can also obviously voice control your home, so you can tell like your Nest thermostat. Actually, I don't know if Echo is compatible with Nest thermostat. I don't think it is. I do know that you can control your smart outlets and your lights and things like that with the smart assistant built into this. And of course, you can listen to Amazon Music and audiobooks and things like that, podcasts, Spotify, Apple Music, Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, etc. And it can also tell you recipes, which is kind of cool. How do I make grilled salmon?
Here's what I found.
Okay, well, just kind of Google search, and it didn't even do a great job because it didn't load. What I was hoping for was what it shows on this nice little image right here, a little chef talking to me, telling me how to do it, but I'm assuming you literally actually have to pull up a YouTube video for that. Yeah, it wasn't really pulling up any recipes for me, but it can. It can. You can also use it as a smart photo display if you'd like. Display photos of your family, and of course, like I mentioned before, slide this over, the camera stops tracking you. It can't film you, and you can also turn off the mic by pressing this button on the top, which will give you a nice little red light and let you know that it's not listening to you either. So if you want to go completely private, you can click both of these things and it won't listen to you or track you, which is obviously a good thing. Okay, so the last thing that I wanted to do was actually play some music through the device. Play a Kanye West song.
Shuffling songs by Kanye West on Amazon Music.
Nice. Stop playing. Nice. Okay, so even with the volume at full blast, it could still hear me and it could still stop playing the music. Now, it is kind of creeping me out that it's following me around constantly. It was cute at first, but now it's getting a little annoying, to be honest with you. So that's pretty much the Amazon Echo Show 10. It's pretty much your standard Echo 10, but it follows you. So if you're into that, great. As with every other one of my videos on this channel, if you would like to grab this product for yourself or just grab anything on Amazon, I have left an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check it out. Honestly, it is a really cool device, and if you have a Echo Home, then it's definitely a good device to upgrade with. I think it's really cool. It also kind of swivels like this if you like that. And you know what? For video calls, the fact that it follows you, for security features and things like that, it is genuinely a very useful device. I think for day-to-day use, I don't really need it to follow me. I could put it in a corner and I can see the screen pretty much fine from anywhere. It is a little glossy, so you might get some reflection, but obviously the assistant that comes with this device is very capable, and she's great. I really do like her a lot. I don't use her that often. I'm more of an Apple home now, especially because all my products are Apple products, so it makes more sense for me, but I have used Alexa for a couple months and I really enjoyed it. Okay, I'm sorry, I said her name. I said it, I'm sorry. It's a good device overall. It's not necessary. No one really needs the features in this device. You could buy a much cheaper smart assistant that would do pretty much all the same things for you. The only thing is that it doesn't really follow you around. I think only Facebook's device does that. But I would love to know your thoughts on the Amazon Echo Show 10 and whether it's a device that you would like to pick up or whether it just creeps you out that it follows you. So make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one. I know it's been like 3 months, but I'll be back soon. I promise.